Hello guys, today topic English grammar. In grammar wise tense and type of tense. There are three types of tenses. First, present tense, past tense and future tense. First, present tense. Simple present tense formula wise yes plus v1 plus o. For example, he eats an apple. Second, they eats an apple. In simple present tense, if the subject is a verb should be suffixed with yes or es means lastly suffixed. Present continuous tense. Second, wise formula wise yes plus am is are plus v plus ing plus o. For example, he is eating an apple. Second, Ram is singing a song. Third, they are eating an apple. Fourth, we are singing a song. The present perfect tense formula wise yes plus have has plus v3 plus o. For example, first he has eaten an apple and second they have eaten an apple. Fourth, perfect continuous tense formula wise yes plus have has been means have been has been plus v plus ing plus o. For example, first he has been eating an apple. He has been eating an apple and second they have been eating an apple. They have been eating an apple. Past tense second tense type. First, simple past tense formula wise yes plus v2 plus o. For example, first he ate eaten sorry he ate an apple. Second, they ate an apple. Third, he sung a song. And fourth, we sung a song. The simple past tense is the only tense in which the second form of the verb occurs. Second, past continuous tense formula wise yes plus was were plus v plus ing plus o. For example, first he was eating an apple and second they were eating an apple. If there is a promise, use was, and if there was many promises, use were. Second, past past perfect tense yes plus had plus v3 plus o. For example, first he had eaten an apple. Second, he had eaten an apple. Third, he had sung a song. And fourth, they had sung a song. Past perfect continuous tense. Third, formula wise yes plus had been plus v plus ing plus o. For example, first he had been eating an apple and second they had been eating an apple. Third, future tense. In simple future tense formula wise yes plus will plus v1 plus o. For example, first he will eat an apple. They will eat an apple. Second, in the simple future tense there are always auxiliary verbs. Second, future continuous tense formula wise yes plus will be plus v plus ing plus o. For example, first he will be eating an apple and they will be eating an apple. Future perfect tense formula wise yes plus will have plus v3 plus o. For example, he will have eaten an apple. And second, they will have eaten an apple. Future perfect continuous tense. Formula wise, yes plus will have been plus fi plus ing plus o. For example, first, he will have been eating an apple. And second, they will have been eating an apple. The following are some examples for practice. First, I will learn a lot. Answer with comment. Second, he was coming to play cricket. Answer with comment. And third, he had sing a song. Answer comment. Uh, and fourth, I have playing a tennis. With answer comment. Fifth, they has been crying a large time. Same. Thank you.